Hello, for this new tutorial I'm going to show you how to save and load the state of the AI. As you can see, the states of the AI is not being saved right now. So we are going to fix that. First, let's open the AI character to see what it's doing. This is the functionality we watched in the previous tutorials and what should be saved and loaded for the AI is this desired node that tells this AI character where it should move the first time. So I'm going to enable the property flag and I'm going to test it. But it is not saving right now. This is because this desired node is not being updated while the behavior tree is running. So we need a way to update this value. If we open the behavior tree and we open the get next node task, you can see here that the desired node from the AI character is never being updated. So we need a way to update this desired node value. And for updating the value, let's open the BP AI controller. And inside here, let's create a function called get updated node. We are going to use this function to get the updated node that is being updated in the behavior tree. So first I'm going to get the black ball from this AI controller and I'm going to get a value as object. This value as object needs a key name and the key name needs to be the same as the black ball key. In this case this key name is already created, so I'm just going to get the patron node and I'm going to cause this value to a BP patron node. And if this object is a patron node, I'm going to return its reference. So inside this function I need a return node. I'm going to create an output and it should be a BP actor type, and when the cast is true I'm going to return this value, and in case the cast fail I'm going to return null pointer. So I'm just going to connect it and it's done. So if I call this function, it will always obtain the patron node which the AI character is moving. So if I go to the AI character, I need a way here to update the desired node variable to the updated node from the AI controller. So I'm going to use the event on save start. I'm going to make sure the event is executing, so yeah, and I'm going to get the AI controller and cast this AI controller to the BP AI controller. After casting to the BP AI controller, I'm going to call the function we created, get updated node, and now we have the updated node. So we only need to set the desired node to this new updated node. So I'm going to grab the desired node and set it. So now the desired node is updated each time I save the game. Now when the game is loaded, we must make sure that the AI character will move to this desired node we saved. But as the game is running and the behavior tree is running, the task will not use the desired node from the AI character because the object already exists. So we need a way to clean this object, so the first time when we load the game, it will get the desired node from the AI character. And for that, in the BP AI controller there is an event called restart blackboard logic that restarts the logic and clears the value of the patron node. So the only thing we need to do here is to call the restart blackboard logic. So we are going to get the AI controller and cast it to the BP AI controller when the load ends. and then I'm going to call the event restart Blackboard logic. I made a mistake here. Instead of using the AI controller, let's use the get controller. So I'm just going to replace both get AI controller, and if I click play now, the AI state should be saving and loading now, and it is working. It is saving the behavior tree state too. Now let's restore the state when the character dies. So right now if I kill the AI character and I load the game, nothing will happen. So on load end, I need to restore the dead state from this character. So I'm going to copy this functionality, the set simulated physics. I'm going to set the simulation physics back to false. And then I'm going to attach this mesh component into the capsule component. And we also need to set the mesh transform because it is not 0, 0, 0. It has a specific transform, as you can see here. So after attaching the component, we are going to set the relative transform. And make a new transform. And the values of the transform will be the same values as this here. So I'm just going to copy the same for the rotation. If I click play and I kill the AI character, when I load the game, the AI character state will be restored. So I'm going to wrap up this video now, and let's continue in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.